Welcome to the Perot Museum in Dallas, Texas. What a remarkable place this is. It's phenomenal. Such brilliant minds. This is a wonderful place, and we're going to bring it to you. So hang on. Here we go.
How big a brain do you want to make?
That's good.
Okay. So big as that you can fit. Okay. Oh, and so you think it's going to fit into this? More? Okay, here we go. Open the box that says human brain models.
Yeah.
Okay, ours is a baby brain, isn't it? Is your mystery brain between the sizes of a human baby and a human adult?
Yeah.
Okay. The mystery brain is smaller than a human adult, but bigger than... Let's find out.
Same size.
Ready?
I know.
Oh, you've used one of these before? Really? Okay, you tell tell me when you're ready to go. You know all the parts? Turn the volume adjustment wheel, the black knobs on the side. Get it?
Yeah.
Press the aspirator on the top down into the DNA. Be careful only to pick the yellow tip and the red one. You can only pick
Guys, I guess that's a wrap here at the Perot Museum in Dallas, Texas. We had a great time.
We pretty much put in a day.
Yeah,
And,
I'm whooped.
We saw quite a bit, but I think there's more to see.
Yeah, I think Anna had a really good time too. She got to do a science lab, and she had a really good time doing that.
She's over playing leapfrog right now on big, giant frogs. But we did have fun. We had a lot of fun today. We're tired. We're ready to head home. Recommend the Ross Perot Museum if you're in town or you need something to do on one of these hot summer days. It's a full day.
Yeah, it is, and each year they have a different theme. This year was Pixar. We were here several years ago, and it was the dinosaur, the dinosaur exhibit, and that was really great. But
they still have dinosaurs, but
yeah,
it's not. They had a whole floor of dinosaurs that time, right?
Yeah, it was special. It was a special tour that they were doing. But we hope you enjoyed the program, and as much as we enjoyed bringing it to you. And I guess we'll see y'all on the next one.
See you soon.
Y'all be safe.
Bye-bye.